everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily add a signature to your designs in Canva. First, just open your designs and then next just go to apps, this one, and then just search for the can signs, this one. Choose this app and then after that just adjust the color that you want and then adjust the weight of the line of your signature and then after that just next just draw your signature directly using your mouse or touch screen. For example, like this. Like this. And when you want to recreate your signature, you can also use undo or clear signature. Like this. And when you're done, just tap on add to designs. Like this. Your signature is ready. And next you can just edit it, resize it, and place it anywhere that you want it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.